Morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn new chapter 11, Merry Christmas. When we hear about Christmas, it is come to our mind 25th December, the birthday of Jesus Christ. All your mind may be decorations, all the star and all you can come into your mind, isn't it? Okay. And we are going to learn in detail. All of you listen to me carefully. The month of December brings a lot of happiness because on 25th December we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus. When we celebrate the Christmas 25th December, the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated all over the world with great happiness and joy. This celebration is celebrating the whole world. Some 2000 years ago, Jesus was born at midnight in Bethlehem. Where Jesus was born? Jesus was born at midnight in Bethlehem in the city of Palestine. With great enthusiasm, the children wait for Christmas. Colorful decorations, carol singing, and the Arvilo Santa Claus make Christmas the most popular celebration of the world. We are waiting for Christmas. Is the great enthusiasm. Children wait for Christmas because the colorful decorations, carol singing, the Arvilo Santa Claus make Christmas the most popular celebration of the world. Children particularly love it. Right from the beginning of the month, they prepare Christmas card to be given to their teachers and friends. Children are making Christmas card and to give their teachers and friends. Because you are at home, we cannot make now Christmas card and all. Then when you are in the school, at time we are making Christmas cards and all. The importance of Christmas is that God came to this world as a small child. He came to this world to save the human beings from sin. So Christmas is the story of God becoming man. Christmas means God becoming man. God is Emmanuel. The meaning of Emmanuel is God is with us. We use a lot of beautiful things for Christmas decorations. Can you name few names of them? Yes, okay. Stars, lights and tinsels. Okay. Gifts also we are decorating. Christmas tree and all decorating. Okay. Very good. And here written there. Yes, there are stars, bells, lights and tinsels. Do you know why we use stars for decorations? It is said that when Jesus was born at midnight, a beautiful star appeared in the sky. Seeing these special stars, three kings, three wise men only came to visit Jesus. Here written kings. Okay, they may be kings. From the east understood that Jesus was born. They came to Bethlehem to meet baby Jesus and offered gifts to him. Some Christmas cards carry the pictures of the three kings with the gifts. Three gifts, what all gifts they offered to Jesus? Gold, myrrh and incense. Three gifts. Gold, myrrh and incense. Three gifts they given to Jesus Christ. It is not written there, but in the Bible and all it is written there. The biggest decoration of all in the Christmas tree. The biggest decoration of all is the Christmas tree. The custom started in Germany. This is the Christmas tree and all they started in Germany. Wherever Christmas is celebrated, a Christmas tree is also set up. It It is a tree. It is a tree decorated with lights and gifts. Wherever Christmas is there also tree also they have to set up. Then decorated with the lights and gifts. Okay. I hope all of you understood this much, and you have to. We will revise once more. Okay. When we celebrate the Christmas, 25th December. Okay, very good. Where did Jesus born? Jesus born at midnight in Bethlehem, the city of Palestine. Then, what is the importance of Christmas? The importance of Christmas is God becoming man. Okay, very good. That is the importance of Christmas, to save the human beings from the slavery of sin. Emmanuel means God is with us. Then we use lot of things for Christmas decoration. What all things we are decorating for Christmas tree? Star, bells, light, and tinsel gifts also. Okay, very good. Okay. What is the star is the most important decoration. Why we use star for decoration? It is said that when Jesus was born at midnight, a beautiful star appeared in the sky. Seeing this special star, 3 kings from the east understood that Jesus was born. This star appeared in the sky, then only they understood one great man. Means God became man, came to this world. This Jesus was all. The prophet and all said that Jesus is the God will come this way and all. It was written there that they understood. These wise kings understood. Then they see that special star from the sky appeared in the sky. Or that way only they understood Jesus was born. That shows that. Okay, that is the most important. That is why using it for these stars and all, using for decoration. Okay. I hope all of you understood. And another using for another decoration thing, Christmas tree. Okay, this is the Christmas only we studied today. All of you revise it and read the lesson and read the lesson. Okay. Thank you, children.